Well, first of all, a patient leader is actively engaged in PALTOWN. And, advocacy is a lot of different things, and people are very confused about that, I believe. The lay public is very confused about that. Fight CRC, for example, Fight Colorectal Cancer, they really should be called the patient advocates because they are completely focused upon the public policy advocacy world. And they're trying to change laws and rules and regulations, and that is their work. That is the Fight CRC's focus. We create leaders in PALTOWN. We actually are a training organization. We are training community leaders. We have 150 separate neighborhoods, each of which have come up from the grassroots, from some patient wanting to have a discussion about a certain experience and wanting to find their own people to come and join in that discussion. That's why we have so many groups. That's why we are so unique. We need a leader for each one of those groups to moderate and engage in the discussion from their own perspective of their own experience. So each one of our patient leaders has actually had that literal experience. If it's rectal cancer as opposed to colon cancer, we have a rectal cancer patient leader, empowered patient leader in Rectalburg, which is the name of our rectal cancer neighborhood. Would you like to know the name of our colon cancer group neighborhood? It's the Poop Shoot group, and that's a colon cancer patient. I myself am a colon cancer patient, so I don't feel justified in speaking up with in the rectal cancer group, the Rectalburg group, because I didn't have that experience or any of its nuances. So each one of our groups is led by a leader who has been trained. And another piece of our training that we're just inaugurating this year, and this is not in a small part thanks to Dr. Grothy's influence, is we're launching our group, our training called Tom's Pride. Tom's Pride is named for, and it's actually Tom's Pride of Lions. So we're going to use the lion as the logo for this particular group. These are people that have shown a definite interest in learning more about the science and engaging in helping other patients learn about the science, thus taking people more into the discussion of specific biomarkers that we might share, genetic mutations that we might share, and incidentally into clinical trials that might be appropriate for me. The education goes on an hour-by-hour basis in our conversations in PALTOWN, and this is all why I call our patients patient leaders.